Cloud Computing, Chapter 6, Cloud Storage. In this chapter, we will learn about cloud storage. Cloud storage is a service that allows users to store data on remote servers. These servers are accessed through the internet. Cloud storage removes the need for local storage devices. Now let us understand what cloud storage means. Cloud storage means storing data online instead of storing it on local computers. Users can access their data anytime and from anywhere. Cloud storage provides high availability and reliability. Now let us understand how cloud storage works. Users upload data using the internet. The data is stored in cloud data centers. Data is managed by cloud service providers. Users can download or access data whenever required. There are three main types of cloud storage. They are object storage, block storage, and file storage. Let us first understand object storage. Object storage stores data as objects. Each object contains data, metadata, and a unique identifier. Object storage is highly scalable. Examples of object storage include Amazon S3 and Google Cloud Storage. Now let us understand block storage. Block storage stores data in fixed-size blocks. Each block is treated as an independent unit. Block storage provides high performance. It is commonly used for databases and virtual machines. Now let us understand file storage. File storage stores data in files and folders. It uses a hierarchical structure. File storage is easy to use and understand. Examples include cloud-based file systems. Cloud storage also provides data redundancy. Data redundancy means storing multiple copies of data. This prevents data loss in case of hardware failure. Cloud storage also provides backup and recovery. Backup ensures data safety. Recovery allows data to be restored when needed. Cloud storage offers many advantages. It provides scalable storage. It reduces hardware cost. It ensures data backup and recovery. It allows easy data sharing. However, cloud storage also has some limitations. It depends on internet connectivity. There may be security and privacy concerns. Cloud storage is widely used in real life. Examples include Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Cloud storage is used in education, business, and personal use. In this chapter, we learned about cloud storage. We learned types of cloud storage and its advantages. In the next video, we will learn about cloud security. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.